A Garda arrested over a missing €100,000 drug seizure is also being investigated for allegedly passing on sensitive information to a criminal gang. 6 people, including the serving Garda, were arrested in dawn raids on Wednesday by local gardaí, as well as detectives attached to organised crime and anti-corruption units based in Dublin. The criminal probe relates to a number of connected alleged offences, including the unauthorised removal of drugs from a Garda station, organised criminality, corruption and drug trafficking linked to a €1 million seizure. Detectives are also probing if the serving Garda was passing on sensitive information to members of a local crime gang in his area. He was detained under organised crime legislation and can be held for up to 7 days. The serving Garda has been a key investigator in a number of sensitive and important cases, including murder, drugs trafficking and money laundering. You can follow the story on the Irish Independent.